Going to remove the top cowling down so we can get to the probe of the thermostat. Now we're going to remove the probe located at the top right of the oven that's connected to the thermostat. Now we're going to remove the plate that's holding the thermostat housing using a 5/16 wrench or a nut driver. After putting a thermocouple through, you want to disconnect your wires in there. You got your black on the black, and you got a purple on a single black. To remove the thermostat from the plate, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 2mm hex, and you're ready to go. We'll start with removing the knob with the 2mm hex. We can remove all 4 of the bolts along the plate. Then you're going to have the last 2 screws on the top and bottom. Now we're going to take these screws out here so we can remove the thermostat from the plate. Now be careful because on the back side you will have these small little nuts on the back. Be sure to catch those. And from the factory you may have some silicone in the back. Manual has already cleaned it up so you can get it off that housing. All right, now we got the new thermostat. Now it's time to install. Now that we got the new thermostat on the plate, now we're going to install the new faceplate onto it. We're going to put the 4 Phillips screws in each corner. Okay, after we got all the 4 screws tightened on the faceplate, now we want to put on the little grommet and install the knob back on. We want to tighten that set screw on that knob with that 2mm hex. All right, now we get ready to install the thermostat back onto the unit. This here may take an extra hand off of there. We're going to run the probe back into the oven. It's a little washer back in the back of that oven. That probe is going to run back in the back into that washer. We'll come back here up front. Now we'll hook up the wires. That purple wire is going to go to 1 single. That black wire is going to go to the 2 black wires that's tied together here. So snap those back in there. Now it's time to mount it to the plate. These here are going to be that 5/16 self-tapping screws going in. There'll be 4 of these on each side. After installing the thermostat and running your probe back in the oven, you'll want to put a small amount of silicone where the probe is entering the top of the oven. This will stop smoke from coming in, damaging your components in your thermostat. Okay, after installing the probe and putting the silicone, now it's time to put the top cowling back on. An extra set of hands may help. Now you got the cowling in place, thermostat's on, everything's ready to go. Time to smoke.